Welcome to our channel, Hard Reset Info. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer, which is the sound speaker on the Samsung Galaxy A12 phone. For this we need a rectangular brush with flexible bristles, either medium soft or soft, so it's not too hard, because otherwise it could scratch your phone. In addition, we need high purity isopropyl alcohol to soften the dirt and help remove the grime, and then so it evaporates and doesn't leave any residue in the holes of the main buzzer. You can buy a whole set like this, a brush and this kind of diffuser, in a kit on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have one, you can use a regular toothbrush, just make sure it's medium or soft bristled. As for the bristle hardness, let's start with the fact that the phone must be completely turned off. Never do anything on a phone that is turned on. Thoroughly soak the toothbrush with alcohol so that it is wet. If you don't have a diffuser, you can simply pour some into a small container and dip your toothbrush in it. Take the phone to the side and, using a one-way motion, clean all these openings here, because these are the buzzer openings, meaning the speaker for sounds. In one direction first 5, 6, 10 times, then in the other direction. All these openings the same way 5, 6, up to 10 times. And then moving to the side in one specific direction, and then back towards the other side. Repeat this 2 or 3 times as well, each of these spaces in every direction. Then we set the phone aside and leave it for about 10 or 15 minutes, so that the isopropyl alcohol can evaporate from the whole component, and there are no traces of it left. After that, you can turn the phone on normally and use it as usual. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in the next video.